At this moment of time, if you ask me where to put money, I would say, okay, fine, you put money in India, but also put a lot of money in America. The kind of companies over there, the kind of entrepreneurs that you have over there, I don't think Indian companies come close in terms of thought process. The American entrepreneurs, you tell them to grow that, they'll grow 15 to 20%, they'll jump. They'll say, okay, I don't want to do business if I want to grow 15-20%. They are having a mindset of world domination. I see so many con calls that I attend in India. So many managements, they thump their chest and say, "Oh, we grew 15% this year. It's an achievement of a lifetime." I'm like, "What 15% growth you guys get so happy about?" The American companies, some of the biggest companies in the world, like YouTube, at the size of YouTube, grew 84% last quarter. 84%. Now, this is what you're getting in mindset: global domination versus attention to small things. I mean, it's not like, there are of course some exceptions. There are some Tatas and there are some Ambani in India who are different category altogether, but on the whole, most of the businesses in India don't have that kind of approach that these American guys have, entrepreneurs. And they end up making truly global products. In India, it's like more of a service oriented products. But of course, things are changing in India also. There are companies like RateGain, MapMyIndia, a lot of these SaaS companies which are coming up with this mindset. And as investors, we are getting more and more extraordinary businesses to invest in. But after this carnage that has happened in America right now, it's a no-brainer to put some money in America. Some of the companies like MongoDB or Palo Alto Networks or Zscaler, CrowdStrike, even Roblox. There's so many of these companies that give you access to things that in India you can't even imagine that these kind of opportunities exist in the world. We do a lot of these private equity transactions and venture capital transactions. We use this company called DocuSign for doing online signatures. Now this DocuSign is listed there. The stock has come down quite a bit, and the company is growing 50 to 60% per year. At the size, $1 billion of sale. They were $1 billion of sale last year. Now they're at $1.6 billion. There's 60% growth on such a huge number. In India, when they reach 500 crores, they talk about now 15% growth expected. It doesn't, there's some mindset issues or not, what I don't know. Especially the new Indian promoters are very good, but the older ones, I'm not sure what is the issue. But yeah, as investors, we have to be modern day investors, and we have to have some exposure to American stocks. It's a no-brainer actually. The difference between Indian and American companies. So yeah, I mean, what I wanted to say, the American companies offer a whole new perspective to what investing is, and I don't think Indian investors have gotten any exposure to that. And now that RBI has made it legal for Indians to invest $250,000 per year into America, Indians should definitely explore that land of opportunity, which is called America.